Guys, you are watching a clip of a new channel that I recently found on YouTube called Handsome Nature. Now, many of you are fans of Paul Dining's channel because of his nature videos. And this channel is very similar to his. So if you enjoy Paul's channel and you enjoy the nature videos with the squirrels and the birds and all the other little critters coming to birdhouses or coming to get food, and usually the videos are hours long, like 8, 9, 10, 11 hours long, so that you can let it play as either background noise or for your fur babies so that they have something to watch when you are either otherwise preoccupied or when we are not home. So I'm going to include the link to this channel in the description box. And when you get a moment, go over, stop by, take a look. And if you like what you see, give them a sub. And also let them know that Furtastic Friends sent you by. But I think you will definitely like their channel. So guys, check them out. And we'll see you later. Bye guys.